Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn off Google Maps notification on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and if you want to turn off Google Maps notification, you can go to your setting first on your Android mobile phone. This is my setting and I'm going to open it, and we're going to go to the apps setting or app manager. This is my app setting and I'm going to open it, and we have to go to the Maps application. You have to scroll down and open the Maps application and go to the notification, and if you want to turn it off you can click on the circle button just like this, and now the notification from Google Maps has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn off Google Maps notification on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.